Good. 500-meter run. Then take the pace up anytime you feel you can. It's your last round now, last round. Stay on it hard now. That's it, get all those 50 back extensions. And then on to crunches for 50, 500-meter run, 3 rounds. Excellent work, good. Put in those short breaks as much as you need to. Get back in, attack it straight away. That's it, right up. That's it. Come on, you don't need those breaks. Get back in, as soon as you can. Good, stay on it now, stay on it. That's it, keep reaching up, reaching up, reaching up. Don't nod the head. Keep it going. All the way to get to 50, last 50. Done? Not bad. Just a little over 16 minutes there. How you feeling?
I'm actually wrecked.
Wrecked. And at 6:30 in the morning, you're not doing too bad. 50 back extensions, 50 crunches, 500-meter run, 3 rounds. Tough workout. Go on, do it.